I'm Josephine and I'm a psychologist and a hypnotherapist working as a student counselor in a medical college university. I first take this opportunity to thank the divine presence for bringing me to this place. The Life Mastery program was one of the best decisions of my life because here I learned that I can make the impossible possible. It proved to me, I can prove to myself. And not only getting the clarity and awareness on all aspects of life, I also gained the knowledge of the things that blocked me from achieving my true happiness. And that was more revealing to me. The emotional, mental, and spiritual blocks I have known those blocks, and I could see now clearly the path of my life goals. So speaking of the wealth mastery, which was really more interesting for me because when we started collecting funds for a social cause, it began with a very small goal of one system to start the computer center to train the underprivileged girls, young girls, to get better jobs at the Clooney Trust Center. So with the help of my members and also the members of the other team, we were able to finalize with the two very good systems of very good quality, and we were able to inaugurate it yesterday. And also we made a gift of a higher model sewing machine to one of the young ladies there to start her own business, and that was really something great. And we even invited 6 pregnant women to that meeting, and we gave them the saris and bangles and things, and started off with their the blessings of pregnancy. And the confidence I received to start something and keeping the momentum going was a very valuable experience for me. And thanks to Dr. Poorani coach and a team of members, and especially Mr. Silva was available all the time, and has academy. And congratulations on the book launch, and we're so proud of you, Dr. Poorani, and may you reach even more greater heights.
And I'm going to take all of you along with me. I'm not going to go alone.
Yeah, of course. Thanks to all my fellow students who were motivating and encouraging at all times. And without them, all this would have not been possible. Thank you all. Thank you very much.